Good afternoon, family of God. I just want to emphasize the importance of what we're doing now and where we're at now with the church. Um, we started in the community groups those videos. The videos is with the theme. This is church, and we're starting off to learn about the church. I know the videos are about 45 minutes long. I know it's long, and I know sometimes it's a bit. It gives you some stuff that you need to chew. Some good, solid, foundational stuff, which causes you to think. It sends you back to go and think and to sort of digest what you actually doing and what you're part of. And I'm talking about church. We need to think about church in a biblical sense, in a biblical way. So we're going to do these videos thoroughly, and we're going to talk about it thoroughly. So what we're doing is that we ask people and expect people to watch these videos when they have time, before um, before we have the groups in the week, the gatherings in the week. And that is for the very reason is that we can talk about it and we are informed what we are discussing. We're not playing guessing games. It is to talk about the things that and why we're doing it. The church is not a church just we just attend. It's and church is not just about the hour in a week, or a hour on a Sunday. It is about being part of a family. It's about being part of this church and part being devoted to this church. And the reason why we are devoted to this church, because it's in this body, in this field, that we find our safety, find our identity, and express together the image of God to the community. And we are reaching out to the community. God placed us in this community, and we are responsible to be the witnesses of God in this community. And they say the flower where you planted. So we have a responsibility for the kingdom of God in this community. So this material, this resource that I'm giving to you is part of the teaching, part of the equipping, part of the motivation, so that we can go out as people that we know. When people come into the church, not just on a Sunday or in a community group in the week, but then you know why you're inviting him. You know why. You can explain it very well why. And they're coming into a healthy church, and this is also getting us to think right about church, to become equipped, functioning, healthy church. And we are all part of it, and we also becoming thinking, healthy, talking, biblical, and equipped as a member of the church. And that's why we let you watch this video, and then we come to the group, and then we can talk about, this is made impact on me, this is what I found that I don't understand, and this is what I think we need to focus on. So that we talk about it, and everyone in the group need to be able to talk and share about it from their perspective, and what affected them and touched them. And then that helps us to equip us, and it builds on top of it, because it takes what the Bible gives us as a pattern in how we need to look at church, how we need to do church, and how we need to be church. It's valuable for all of us. It is important that we all do that, not some people, not just some certain people. It's not a theological thing. It is the Bible that we also need to be equipped in, and that we need to know. It's not just for some people, and some people that understand, for some people that are more important. It's not just for leaders, for every individual. We all have to be equipped. We all have to be prepared. We all have to be built up. And that's in a group. When we discuss it, it makes it easier and more digested to understand it, and for us to make it more applicable in our day-to-day living. That's why we're going to do this again. This last Wednesday was now a good start, that we say, okay, this is how we want to show people how to be church and do church and be a community and do life together. And we're all learning together. Believe me, this is a fresh look at the perspective of what church is. And we don't want to be people to be ignorant about this. And I know that this is for some people it's uncomfortable. But you know what? We're not here to bring comfort. We're here to bring salvation. We're not here to help people to feel good about themselves. We're here to tell people how to be saved. And not just how to be saved, how to live saved. And we all need that restoration. We all need to be reconciled back to God. And this is just equipping each and every part of the church, even every member, that you come with your gift that God placed in you, that image of God that He placed in you. You come and you bring and you reflect it. And we only all of us together can do it to a fulfilled way. Not just one individual, all of us together. And this is now the groups are there for each and everyone's benefit. Not for some people, but for everyone. And you only benefit from it when you partake into it. And we teach you how to partake. We teach you how to speak. We teach you how to share. We give you opportunity to share. We give you opportunity to come and to be ministered to and to be healed and yeah, to be encouraged and to be uplifted, but also to be corrected. That's part of it. That's that, and the church must function the way it was created to be and ordained by God to be. Look what we're doing. We're living in a day where people are being confused by winds of doctrine. And this is now opportunity where we can be directed in the right direction. And we do it together and dependent on the word and the guidance of following the blueprint and the pattern of the word. So these videos that I sent out, it's all on YouTube. You watch it before you come to the community group. This I'll do it longer before time, and we're gonna do the first video again. And we're gonna send it to everyone again that you can watch it and you can come and see what other things, because there's so many things in that video that could have impacted you, and say you can come with that very one thing. So listen, yeah, this is what impacted me. This is what I want to just bring. So can we talk about this? Or I didn't understand this. And the leader of the group is not there to talk all the time. The leader of the group is there to facilitate that everybody can partake, and everybody gets an opportunity to share. I did in the Jacaranda Street community group. I did show by example how we need to do that everyone gets an opportunity and everyone can talk about it. It's not for hours. It's just everybody gives a short little thing of what impacted them and how they were touched by this, and what we can learn from that and how we can apply this. And this is how we do that. Okay, and this is not gonna be for extended. This we're gonna be busy be busy with it for a few weeks until just we know that everybody that's with us now and that are part of this fellowship are got this, and they understand this, and that they know why we church. Because when you invite people, when you encounter people that you want to invite to become part of our church, that you know what it's about, that you know why you're inviting them to this church, and that you can present this in a very effective way. And when they come into the church, they will find that very thing that you have told them that they're going to find, and that everybody know what it's about. That there's no ignorance, or this is not just a gathering on a Sunday morning for an hour. I hope that makes sense. And therefore I want to encourage you. I want to actually plead by you. Please watch these videos. And if you don't watch them and you didn't understand for the first time, then watch it again. Digest it. Let it become part of you. And we'll give you enough time. We'll work on a steady pace through it, that it's slow enough that everybody can stay with us and ask the questions that they need to ask. I hope you understand that, and God bless you. God bless you, and we'll see you on Sunday.